stud wall or shear wall. Connection details. Interior non-bearing wall details. Shear wall on beam. To download this and other timber or shear wall frame structure or stud or timber structures connection, please check the download link in my description. Footing. You will have access to all these connection in one zip. This is the footing detail slab. Perimeter wall. Stud wall 2x4. You can check the details. Guard rail post. Interior shear bearing. All shear bearing wall have a footing, and you can see that and this. Be careful. The bottom plate and the stud post or the stud to the 2x6 stud. Let's see the interior non-bearing. Hope you see the difference. Shear bearing. Shear wall above opening. These are the 2x6 studs. Please check my description for more connections on timber details. You can see, for example, rafter connection. Just open and you'll be able to see the rafter. The hurricane tie H1 clip here. Instead of doing this manually, you can just have these templates and maybe use them where applicable. The roof sheathing. A35 spacing per wall schedule. The top plate. You can see the top plate, the two top plates here. Shear wall nailing per plan. And the stud 2x6 or 2x4. So there are very many connections here, which you can just download in my description. You will just be able to see all to access these files. There are different DWG files which shows how to detail different connections. Hurricane tie H1 clip. You can see it here. Roof rafter per plan. And here is our shear wall nailing per plan.